Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look into right join. So what is a right join? So I'm going to say take the same data and I can say that I want to join employee detail to employee salary. So in left join, we were joining employee salary to details. Now I am doing the exact opposite. Now the primary table is changed. So as you can see in this diagram, table 1 is actually joining to table 2. So all the records from the table 2 will stay intact, and from the table 1 whatever is matched used on the based on the key, that particular data will flow into the table 2 and we will have a result. So over to here, as you can see, I don't have a employee called as Darshan in my employee salary. So over to there, if Darshan is existed or it actually exists in my employee detail, that person will not flow into my final table. So let's demonstrate. I have the table here and I will just reload the data, and let's check into the data model viewer that how the data looks like. So the ideology is left join and right join. So it is based on your particular scenario what you want to use, but practically speaking and mentally speaking, all everyone actually uses left join for most of the cases, where they will just tell you that you just take your master table onto the top your detail table and just join your master to your detail and you will have the details. So this is a basic dialogue that you might have.